Welcome everybody! Today I got a fast little abstract for you. Well, I don't know how fast it's going to be, but it's an easy one. Easy one for you guys all to try out. Did this back in the past, probably back in the late 2000s. Anyways, here's a canvas here. And you can see the plastic still on it. You know what? We're not going to throw that plastic away. We're going to do something really crazy wild, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, let's look for this black paint and see. Let's see what I got going on here. Okay, so, you know what? Let's start out with black. So, there you go. Put it right onto that canvas plastic. Now we're going to use this paper, this wax paper, butcher paper, as a blotter. So, we're just going to get our plastic, we're going to tear it off our canvas. I used to use my old canvas plastic back in the day. Oh, isn't that cool? You can see right through that. Look at that. Oh! Okay, and we're just going to carefully set it on there. I said carefully, more carefully. Got kind of curled up. Taking that excess off. Let's just cut it up a little bit. We don't care. We're gonna carefully lay that on the canvas. Carefully. Check that out. And just kind of lightly press it. There we go, there's that part. Isn't that neat? Let's get a little rag over here, clean this little mess up here. Don't want it too wet. Okay, we're gonna get rid of this blotter paper here. Toss some trash. Okay. We got that going on here. This is fast, I told you it's quick. I got some cling film here. I was just showing you could use your canvas plastic if you had some. Let's get a big old chunk of that. Here we go. If you have access to saran wrap, plastic wrap, you know, find some cheap stuff at the store. Ooh, just lay it down gently. Lay it down gently. Smooth it out a little bit. Okay, I know we're going to use some machine gray here. Give me those two tones that I'm looking for. Go all the way to the edges too. Make a nice funky design. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. We like that. Okay, again, pick it up gently. We're gonna blot it. Boom! Smooth it out. See that? Isn't that crazy cool? Smooth it out. Oh, wait, covers those whole edges. All right. Now you're going to overlap it on top of the black. Isn't that wild? I like that. Now, get rid of the blotter. Kind of like that right there. Just kind of use that a little bit. All right. Get that blotter. Now, we're going to get some red spray paint. Spray in the lid. Give it some pizzazz. In those white areas, we see the white. Splatter it, give it some accent. That gives it razzle dazzle. That's what I call it, razzle dazzle. Look at that crazy look. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little chrome. Some chrome magic. Do the same thing. razzle-dazzle, right in the blacks. Kind of aiming at the blacks a little. All right, then we're gonna get black. Same thing. Yep. Right there. Right there, a little bit more. A little. There you have it, guys. I'm going to show it upside down, right side up. You know what? Here we go. Just like that. Check it out, guys. Easy, simple abstract done with saran wrap. Wrap away today. Anyways, you can hang it like this, horizontal. I like it this way, the way I was looking at it. But anyways, there you go. There you have a simple abstract design done with cling wrap. Peace out. Foltz art.